Hello. Hi, TJ Dino. Here we go again, my mind. Broken heart. Since the day we've parted. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Hi, Nasha. Ganda naman ang name. Like Dasha. Oh, I miss Dasha. I miss my friends.
Ano yun, IG?
Hindi, TikTok.
Nice.
TikTok natin. Hindi kasi limited. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Mama, look!
What's that? It's not mine, no?
I know it's not yours. It's brown.
Oh, it's Fly's hair. It's extension yan. You know, may tali pa. Oh, I think not. It's not in the extension.
It's not extension. That's like... I don't know.
Parang sanri yun naman eh.
Kaya nga. Oh my God. Sobrang Latina. Wait nyo lang, guys.
Sobrang Latina.
Walang dibdib.
True.
Sobrang Latina.
Sobrang sexy niya, guys.
Walang dibdib version. Hello. Ba't ang Gina?
Uba ng aircon.
Sige lang, kayaan mo lang. Huwag natin. Baka di ako makakanta mamaya.
You can do it.
Ulala, kabog. How is everyone doing? Hello, Kichu. Grabe ang hot. Guys, huwag nyo kasi guys. Kasi guys na, mag-gara dyan ko guys. Sige, compliment me. Compliment me more.
You deserve a compliment. Because you're so pretty.
Here's the pretty girl.
I don't want. You know.
She's shy. Ooh, we extra. We extra.
Look at that girl. So stunning.
Extra.
So sexy, right?
What you been up today? Today, I did an interview sa Kapamilya Chat. And right now, I'm going to record a song. What song will I record and for what? Well, that's for you guys to find out. I'm not gonna say anything though. Nakakainis. Okay lang mainis ka. Huwag lang maging bitter. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Hindi naman. Good naman yung pagkainis niya. These people right here watching are good people. I'm so grateful for that. Okay, what now? May I ask you? Yes, Chan? Oh, Mama Mary. Bakit ba? Nakita niyo na ba si Mama Mary? Nakausap niyo ba face to face si Mama Mary? Kayo yung mga hyperbola yung hyperbole ninyong mga si Mama Mary. Mga hyperbole na mga ano nyo compliments. Hello, Isha! Kasi maganda ka, tsaka maganda yung araw ko. Kasi ang bumungad nito ay kayo. Char, Tagalog yon. Thank you! At dahil dyan, magpo-post ako. Kasi sinabihan mo kung maganda. Yan tuloy. Lumaki ulo ko. Of course! We are still friends. Why? Why you ask? Like, literally, we just did live the other week ago. Blink twice if may jowa ka na. Sadly, no. So, one lang. Unfortunately, but fortunate, no. Miss Angie, Bisaya ka ba? Oo, Bisaya ko. Kasi di naman siya nag-request na kung i-shoutout siya. Gusto niya pala magpa-shoutout eh. Kaya ngayon, nung nasa interview kanina, I don't know if it's tape or it's live. Shoutout ko na. Lahat na ng friends ko. Kasi yung iba, nagsabi kasi, shoutout mo ha, huwag mo akong kalimutan. Hindi siya nagsabi. Alam ka naman i-shoutout ko. Gusto pala niya maging private lang. As a private person, since the day we parted by my Marian Rivera. Ang ganda-ganda ni Miss Marian.
Oh my God. Sino po? Artista po ba ito?
Ay, hindi Ate P. Tao.
Grabe.
Wait, Ate P. Kasi i-mute ko lang.
Ay, sorry. Nagpaan.
Ayun. Say hi.
Hi! Gulo ng hair ko. Kiss ko to.
Ayun. Say hi.
Hi! Gulo ng hair ko. Kiss ko to.
Pawis ko pa naman. Pawis